Hey guys, so I know there's been like a ton of hype about this brand, the Biosance. I hope I'm saying that correctly. It's don't want to say it's like super new, but I think it's a newer. At least it's new to being like super popular skincare brand, and it seems like they just try to have high quality skincare that doesn't have like a lot of bells and whistles. You know, it's just pretty simple ingredients. And this is how this looks. And I've been keeping this on top to kind of protect it. I don't know if that's kind of silly, but this is their Squalane Marine Algae Eye Cream. And actually, I think I got this in an Allure box. It was one of the sort of like Allure Best of the Year or something like that. So I don't know if you guys have seen their ads with Reese Witherspoon. She's become sort of, I think she's become like a big person in their advertisements. And I would like to assume that when celebrities do ads, that they also do like the products, because I'm sure they get a lot of offers to do ads. So I would hope that they go with some products that they actually do legitimately like. So I'm guessing that she likes this product. I definitely like it. I mean, I wouldn't say that I do want to try some of their other products, because I wouldn't necessarily say that this product is like blowing me out of the water, but I do definitely think it is a high quality product. The Squalane and the marine algae do seem like they're doing a great job of kind of smoothing your skin. I haven't necessarily seen any like long lasting changes or anything like that to my eye area, but it definitely does have a instant sort of smoothing effect. This doesn't really have any scent at all. I can't smell anything when I try to smell it. But this is super thick cream, a very thick cream, and you just kind of gently tap it around your eye area with your ring finger, because that area is very sensitive and you don't want to be pulling and tugging around there and like increasing fine lines and wrinkles. So this has been a nice product just for kind of like an instant smoothing and softening of that eye, under eye area. And like I said, I haven't yet noticed any like long-term effects, but I have only been using it maybe about a month. It's gonna last me, I think, forever, because it's a half an ounce, but since it only goes around the eye area, you just use like the tiniest little bit and you just like tap it onto your eye area, and that's it. And I'm putting this on my eyes right now so I don't waste it. But you just like tap a little bit onto your eye area, and it's such a small amount that you have to use each day that this should last a really long time. It does say use it within 6 months. I don't know, that's going to be kind of hard to use this much in 6 months, but we'll see. I guess we'll see how that goes. I like the packaging. I really like this glass jar with the gold top. It's very nice. It feels very luxurious, very heavy in your hands. So that's really nice. And overall, I think I do definitely like this product. I did notice on their website that they have a lot of like sets where you can get several products together as a set, and then overall it ends up being like a 40% discount or something like that. So that's pretty nice to get a discount like that, because these definitely aren't cheap products. I would say these are a little bit more on the pricey side. Not like La Mer type of pricey, but these are a little bit more on the pricey side. So it is nice to be able to get it in a box, or to get it in a set where you're getting a few different products to try, and then overall you're getting a pretty big discount on the products. So definitely check out their sets. And oh, you know what? They also have like trial size, I notice. You can get like for $7 each, you can get like a trial size, and then when you get the trial size, you receive something like $20 towards a full-size product. So that's kind of like a cool way to try a product. That's kind of nice that they have that option, so you can kind of try before you buy. And I will link to them down in the info box, and let me know if you guys have tried anything by this brand, what you think, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.